You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x equal or smaller than negative 26 over 7 equal or smaller than negative 35 over 7. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 6 to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by negative 7. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x equal or smaller than negative 26 over 7 equal or smaller than negative 35 over 7.